Tracy with Legacy Woodworking Machinery. We've got some exciting changes happening right now, but it's also causing a little bit of a headache. So let me kind of bring you up to speed. We have created a brand new website. The URL or the website address is legacywoodworking.com. If you go to lwmcnc.com or legacycncwoodworking.com or try to link directly to any of the videos or pages in the site from the search engine, you're going to get a 404 or a 409 error. Cannot be found. Okay? This will be resolved very quickly as they are pointing all of the URL addresses, all of the websites, to the new website, legacywoodworking.com, but that can take some time. So, to go on our website, type in legacywoodworking.com. Do not do a search for Legacy Woodworking and pick from the search, because you'll get an older page, you will not find it. Type directly in legacywoodworking.com, hit enter, and you'll have access to the new website. There are a lot of things that are coming out very exciting for it, and so it's still in development, so be patient as we continue to add to this, but that's how you get to the website right now. We have not lost the website, it's just being redirected.